Loud.
Can you explain right function? How to do?
See, right function, what it is doing?
ADI. That's
Equal to. Right. Start new one. Right. This is my name. See, while typing from left to right, we go right. This is from left to right, I'm going. So right will give from right side whatever number of characters you mention, that much characters it will give. Let us suppose right side 4 characters, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this text, comma, 4 characters, round bracket close. Getting it? Double clicking here, getting the values. And this one is combination of 2 functions. Inside one function we are writing another one. Nested function. Concatenate, and inside that I am writing right. The last 3 characters, this is my string which I type, which is coming in each row, because this is default, it is not changing every row. Then this one is right function, it is changing according to the row values. In each row there is another name, so for every another name last 3 values will be different. Getting it, everybody? माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल है। तो पहले आपको ये बंद करना है, डबल कोट्स जो है बंद करना है, उसके बाद कॉमा देना है, अभी नया चीज लिखना है। अभी दोगे राइट, तो आएगा, ठीक है। आ गया राइट, टैब इसमें देना है, आ जाएगी नहीं, आ जाएगा, कॉमा को वन बकेट क्लोज। अभी तुमने एक और वहाँ पे राउंड ब्रैकेट लगेगा, अपन ने नहीं दिया और डायरेक्ट एंटर मारा है, तो बोला करेक्शन करूँ क्या? यस कर दे, कर दिया करेक्शन।
last 3 how you will get? Excuse me sir.
कॉर्नर पे जाके डबल क्लिक किया मैंने। Done everyone. So for today we'll end up here. Next topic will take 10-15 minutes to complete, so that's better to start it tomorrow. Okay.
Excuse me sir. Excuse me.
Yes, please tell.
That last 3 characters how we will do?
Using right.
Wait a second. Parallelly I am.
Sorry.
Parallelly I am also I will do.
So you are unable to make it.
Is equals to?
Share your screen. Ask me your doubt. What is there? Are you sharing?
Yes, 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 sir. You could be able to see.
Yes. Maximize the screen.
Right.
So, right.
Okay.
Yes. Click on tab. Now click on this Praveen, comma 3. Round bracket close.
That's
Round bracket close. Enter.
yes, fine.
Done.
Done.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. Thank you all. See you tomorrow.